Welcome in current series of video in which we are going to solve 15 most asked SQL interview questions. I have selected 15 questions which I and my colleagues usually use to ask while interviewing candidates. The query helps us to understand candidate's understanding for database and his concept for database. To solve this query, I have taken three tables To solve this query, I have taken a dataset having three tables. I have already uploaded the dataset in the link given below in description. You can download the dataset and start to solve. I have divided this series in three videos. In first video, we will discuss from query number 1 to 5. In second video, we will discuss from query number 6 to 10, and in third video we will discuss from query number 11 to 15. These queries are started from very basic questions to complex question. So let us solve question with me. So what are these 15 questions? For this I have taken three tables. So let us understand the design of the table first. This is the table design in which I have taken three tables. One table is a name of salesman table with salesman ID as a primary key, name as a varchar, city as a varchar, and commission as a float. Second table I have taken is in a customer table which gives the detail of the customer with customer ID, customer name, city, grade, and salesman ID as a field. And third table is customer order table in which customer used to place an order to the salesman within a field name, order number as a primary ID. Purchase amount is total number of order placed by a customer, order date, customer ID, and salesman ID. Here customer ID and salesman ID are foreign keys. And I have already created a table and inserted some values in it. I have created a schema name inventory management in which I have created a table named salesman with salesman ID as a primary key, name, city, and commission, customer and customer order, and I have inserted some data in them. I have already given a link in database so that you can use the script for your query, solving the query purpose. So let us start and solve query one by one. My first query is, I just zoom it out. My very first query is, write a query to retrieve all columns from salesman table. Okay. Means I have some details which I have inserted in salesman table and I want to find out all the columns from the salesman or list salesman, list table salesman. So if I get a query like this, what I will do? I just simply write query select star from salesman. I just simply write this and I just run this query. You can get all the details of salesman, that is salesman ID, name, city, and commission. All the details that I have created, near about 15 entries I have made for the 15 salesmen are present and their details are being shown over here. So this is how you can list all the details from the table. A very basic question. I hope almost all of you are known, but I just taken this question. Second is, write a query to list the customer name and city of all customers. What does it mean? That I have a table named customer and from this customer I just want to list city and customer name. How can I do it? It's a very simple query again. I just write select customer name and city from customer. It's a simple query. You come to know that how you are retrieving the data from the table. This is a simple basic concept. Interviewer want to know that if I have just want to ask you that how you will retrieve a data, all the data from the table or selected data from the table, he can ask you questions like this, that how you are retrieving all the data from the salesman table or a selected column like customer name and city from the customers. Now I will go to third query, in which the question is how to retrieve the names and commission rates of salesmen who work in a specific city. Go through the table here. Table, you see that I have a table name salesman in which I have 4 IDs: salesman ID, name, city and commission. What query is asking? It is asking that I have to list the name of salesmen with the commission who are working in a particular city. Suppose I say that I have a list here like this, that there is a John Doe name of a salesperson. I just select star from customer name and I find that there are sales name Alice. He is working in New York within a commission rate 0.1%. So I want to find out all the salesmen who are working for the New York city and their commission rate. So for that I will write select name, comma, commission from salesman, where city equal to what we want. City is New York, so we will write New York and we will close this. Okay, and we will run this. So you will get the list of all the salesmen who are working across the city named New York and their commissions rate. You can change the city also and find the details here as well. Let us solve query number 4, in which it is written that write a query to list each customer along with the name of their corresponding salesman. So we have a table name customer and another table name salesman, and customer have all the details in its customer table and salesman have a common field name salesman ID. You can see here that there is a customer table with customer ID, name, city, grade and salesman ID is a field, and salesman having a salesman ID which is a primary key to the salesman and it is a foreign key to our customer table. So what we want? We want that all the details of customer table display along with the name of salesman who has sold his product to by customer. Okay, means there is to the customer a salesman used to sell the product, and I want that the customer to whom my salesman have sold the product, his name should also display with the all details of customer. Okay, so because we know that in both the fields salesman ID is existing as a common field here. So we will create a join, an inner join, in which the condition is that salesman ID of salesman should be equal to the salesman underscore ID of my customer. So in order to write this query, let us go to our SQL. I will just simply write select. What we need? We need name of the salesman, comma, we need customer ID, customer name, city and grade from customer, and we create a simple shorthand C here, join salesman, and we will create a shorthand S here, and as we have already created a short name, we will simply write S dot name. Here we will write C dot customer name, C dot customer ID, C dot city and C dot grade. As we have created a join, we will write on, and when we created a join, we simply write here customer C dot, what we have a common field, salesman ID equal to S dot salesman ID. You can see, and you just run this query. You will find that all the details of customer and salesman is appear who have sold to my customer. The Oliver has sold to customer number 30, 15. Like this, you can see the details. That is all the customers' detail who is being sold by our salesman is appear with all other details of our customer. So in this way we have solved our question number 4, that is query 4. Okay. Let us solve query number 5. The query number 5 is write a query to display all orders along with customer name and salesman name. So as you know that we have 3 tables with us. One is salesman table, other is customer table, and third is customer order tables, and we have to display all the order details. That is what is the order place, what is the order number, purchase amount and order date, along with the names of the salesman and name of the customer. So here we have to use the joins between all these 3 tables. So common table is customer order, having a field customer ID which is a foreign key in customer order and primary key to customer table, and salesman underscore ID is a foreign key in a customer order and salesman ID in a salesman table. So we will create a first join between salesman and customer table, customer order table, and then join between customer name, customer order and customer table. So in order to write this query, let us go to our SQL and we will write the query like this. Select, first of all we have to display the name of the salesman, so we will write s dot name, comma, we have to display the name of the customer, we will write c dot customer name. Remember the customer underscore name is a field name given in a customer table and name is a field name given in a salesman table, comma, we will write co dot, we have to display the order number, then we have to display the co dot order date, that is the details of the order table, and we have to display the purchase amount, co dot purchase amount, which is the field mentioned in the customer table, customer order table. P is small here, so we will write here as P small, and table from. We have to retrieve this data from customer order table, for which we have used the shorthand CO, which has in a join with our salesman table, for which we have used shorthand S. On both the field have a salesman ID and salesman underscore ID as a common field, so we will use here CO dot salesman underscore ID equal to S dot salesman ID. Join. We have to establish another join between customer order table and sales and customer table. So in order to do this, we will simply write here customer C on. After writing this, we will establish the relationship between these 2 tables, that is customer order and customer table. So for that we will use co dot customer underscore ID equal to C dot customer ID. And we will run this query. You can see all the details like the name of the salesman, the name of the customer along with the details of order are displayed over here. So in this way we have solved our query number 5. In next video we are going to solve query number 6 to 10. I hope so this video is interesting for you, and if you find this video interesting, please like and subscribe. Thank you.